Ever wonder why your little one sounds like a mini freight train at night? Snoring in children is not as unusual as you might think, and it's often nothing to worry about. Let's dive into some simple reasons why children snore and what might be causing those nighttime noises. Number 1, cold or allergies. If your child is dealing with stuffy nose from cold or allergies, they may snore due to nasal congestion. Number 2, enlarged tonsils or adenoids. Tonsils and adenoids are small tissues in the throat that help fight infection. But if they get too big, they can block airflow and lead to snoring. Number 3, their sleep position. Sometimes lying on their back may cause their throat to relax a bit too much, leading to those snoring sounds. Number 4, nasal blockages. Any kind of nasal blockage like deviated septum can make breathing through the nose difficult, causing them to snore. Let's make sure they are getting their best sleep possible.